Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a Dude Perfect Valentine's Day card. It looks really cool, and let's get started. Okay, first you'll need to go to your Abby Fresco app. It's free to download and it's really simple to use. You go to you click on it, and then you go to Create New, and for your size you type in 4 by 3 inches. Type in that, then you go to that size, and then you will need to go to your photos. Do not go to camera, just photos. And then you go to Google, you download a normal Dude Perfect logo with the tealish background. So you click on that. Okay. Then you press done. Then you go over to your paintbrush. And then do not go to your paintbrush. And you go to like this, where the blue square is. And you go to your tealish color. You go to your paintbrush now. And then you go to your your Dude Perfect logo. Delete that. We do not need the logo anymore. And now you have the color. You go to your paintbrush, or not your paintbrush, your bucket of the paint. You click on it, you press pixel, so now it'll be the color. And then you go to this, where the blue square is. You don't tell us what it's called, so go there, go to square. There you go. And then you go to your color. And then you go to your yellow color. It will save your teal color. So it will save all your colors. You're done. You can draw in that. And then you need to go to your text, the T. Then you click on it. Actually, you don't do that. You change your color to black first, or your text will just be yellow. And you don't want to do that so you can't see the text. So you go to black, and now you go to your text. And this is what you type in. It's not my honor, but it is my duty to wish you. That's all you type in. Then you go to this arrow thing. You go to this 3 down from the paintbrush. So you click on that. Now you move it around. Go here. You make it match up. Okay, so we have that. Now you go to your text again. Actually, you go to your text thing, and then you press add layer. Now you go to your text, and you type in 2 : from : you don't type in colon, you just type in those 2 little dots. And then you make it bigger. So that's where you type in, you put in the name, who you're sending it to, and you're from, is from. And then you go to your new layer, add layer. You go to text again, and this is what you type in. A perfect happy Valentine's Day. Okay, now you go, so you move it. Okay. And now you go to add layer, you go to text again, and you type in D-U-D-E, or dude. And then you need to go to text, source scan pro, that. And then here you have all your fonts. I want to do this one. So you have to double click on it first. Then you go to, and then you find the one you want to do. So you get to pick yours. There's a lot of variety. I want to do that one. Okay. Now you can move it. And then there. Okay. So you go to your photos. And you download a photo from Google. That's a plain heart. You go there, you put it into your photos, and it'll turn out really big. I'm going to shrink it down to put it right under dude. And done. And then you go to your new layer. You go to your, here, the same thing that we used to make the square. And then you click on the right on the bottom of the heart. And you just outline it. I'm not going exactly on the lines because I'm going to make it how I want it. So see how there's the squares? Or like it's not lines that are straight. It'll be nicer. So then you go to your color. And now it's black. Now you go to your heart. Delete that. Go here. Duplicate. So you click on that. Now you have two hearts. You put one like that. Done. And then you click on that heart again and press duplicate. Oh, not that. You can make as many hearts as you want. So I'm just going to make 3. Done. And now for the dude. Or the dudes from Dude Perfect. So you'll need to go to here. I already made one, but I'm going to be showing you guys how to do it. You got any picture from Dude from that shows all 5 of the dudes. Then you go to the same thing how we made the square and the heart. I did not click on that here. So you click on that and you just outline them. Once you're done doing that, and then you fill them in with your paintbrush in the background. You do that, okay, and you put that into your photos. You go back to your card. Here it is. You go to your photos, and it should be in your photos. Click on that. Make it smaller so it will fit. Done. Now you need to go to Quick Export. Go to Save Image. Okay, now you go back. You go to Letter. And you go to Photos. And you click on your file. Make it big. You put them right in the corner to line up. And you copy them. So it'll be the same exact size. Done. Okay, now you go back and you do the same thing over and over until you fill up the page. So we'll have 2 more to do. Okay, 1 more. Okay, so we have that done. You go to Quick Link and you press print. and it'll be printing right from your printer. Okay, good. Bye. Thanks for watching. This is really fun to build and make. You can go link down in the description and you can print these for yourself. Really fun and easy Valentine's gift. And bye.